Hello, folks and professionals. Yesterday I have asked this question. Okay, so let's try to break the answer. So, where do you control open quotation message? So simple uh, question, and you can able to say directly the answer, but no one is commented. That is unfortunate. I would like to tell you one thing. The person who can able to attempt, okay, if he is failed, there is no problem. The person who is fear to attempt, who is lazy, very difficult. This is the lesson I have learned in my life. Okay. Try to comment if you know the answer. If you don't know answer also, you can able to comment it. Okay. Anyhow, it's my responsibility. It's my duty to give answer about this question. Okay. Let's see this. So these are the options, right? Item category, sales area, scheduling category, item category, billing type, sales document type, none of the above. So the answer is F. It's ruled out. There is no other option will shoot. In sales document type, you can find two fields. Open quotation messages, okay? Open, what do you call, contract related messages will be there, okay? Outline agreement messages. So the answer is F. It's a sales document header, okay? If you like this answer, you can comment it. If you want more certification or any other relevant questions for your analysis and learning, and always happy to learn. Okay, success will follow automatically. This is my Udemy channel. I'm holding almost okay 20 plus courses. I'm just providing these links below this video. Try to utilize this. All these are real-time courses, real-time idoc training for SAP consultants. Complete idocs will be covered. This is for specifically for functional consultants, and this is getting master to write functional specification. And I have few courses pricing. I have covered. It's like a full package. In future, I am going to add a few more things related to more real time. Okay. So thank you so much for joining the session. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day.